Okay, let's just play with some sound effects. Let's say you want to do a sound effects bed, a sci-fi bed for some sort of animation or whatever. And so we'll just play a little bit. We're going to use Sony Acid Pro. You can use any other multi-track software, most of them. Now we've got pink noise, and we're going to put it on track 1, track 2, and track 3, and track 4. Same pink noise. Okay, on track 1, let's set the EQ so that it passes only low frequencies out from the pink noise, 0 to 100 cycles. And then track 2, let's set the EQ so that it passes upper low frequencies from the pink noise, 100 to 320. And now track 3, let's set it so it passes lower mid frequencies, 320 cycles to 620 cycles out of the pink noise. And then track 4, let's set it so that it passes lower mid frequencies, 640 to 1300 cycles from the pink noise. Now down here on track 5, I've taken some just some guitar outtakes that I found in my library, loud guitar parts, and you'll need to figure out how to reverse the clip. There's usually something you click and it says reverse, and then it'll play backwards, and then just put some echo on it. Now track 6, I've done something very simple. I've just done some rock and roll yelling, just some yells, and put some and clicked reverse so it'll play backwards and put echo on it. Now up here, let's talk about the pink noise again. I've set a volume envelope. This blue line shows how high the volume goes. It's automated. Track 1 starts off early because it's the low frequencies. Track 2 comes in a little later because it's slightly higher frequencies. Track 3 comes up a little later still because it's slightly higher frequencies. And then I've put some stabs here on this even higher frequency section, just where it kind of pops up, creates some little staticky sounds. Okay, that's the setup for the experiment. Now I'm going to play it, and just remember, it's abstract. You can do whatever you want. It's just play. We're just playing. Here it is.